He performs a little dance to entice her to take a closer look. She shows her approval by starting to spruce the place up. They set to work gathering mud. Their aim is to make the entrance smaller. They also add poisonous millipedes to the mix, creating an insect repellent that keeps nest-raiding pests at bay. This tiny chamber will become her home for the next 12 weeks. She's a willing captive, even using her own droppings to help narrow the hole. Their plan is to make a prison cell. Soon, the hole is reduced to a mere slit. Eventually, the eggs are laid. He brings her up to 20 large insects each day while she incubates. But what goes in must come out. Nest hygiene is essential. 25 days after laying, the moment has arrived. With more mouths to feed, the male is in overdrive, finding at least 70 insects each day. But after being cooped up for over 2 months, the lack of space and constant quarrelling is getting too much for her. She starts to chisel her way out. To keep her babies safe, it must stay predator-proof. It seems an impossible squeeze, so easy to get stuck. Freedom.